Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn about the main function. To understand in a simple way, main function could be said as the driver function. It is where the program begins and where the program ends. And successful compilation of the program means that the zero should be returned towards the main. And that is why we use return zero in our early program. It means that zero is being sent towards the main, which indicates the successful compilation and running of our program. In some cases, in some programs we may use void main, and when we use void main, we need not use return zero. If void main is used, we don't have to add return zero. Now if I'm saying like this, you understand why we use void and why we use int. To understand that, you need to go deeper into the course. As you try out more programs, you learn when to use void and when to use int. For the moment, all you need to know is that main is where the program begins and where the program ends. When 0 is returned towards the main function, it means the program is running successfully. In our next lecture, we will learn something very much fun, that is printing onto the screen and receiving input from the user. Let us look into that in our next lecture. See you there. Thank you.